Hello everyone. Let's talk about upgrading the power supply in your Dell Optiplex 3050, 5050, or 7050 mini tower. Specifically, we're looking at this 240W power supply, a crucial component for keeping these compact desktops running smoothly. This power supply is designed as a direct replacement, so compatibility shouldn't be an issue if you own one of the mentioned Optiplex models. It supports a range of part numbers, including J61WF, DK87P, F484X, DW3M7, HT04K, and more. It also covers various model numbers like H240ES02, L240ES00, H240NM00, and others, offering broad compatibility within the specified Dell Optiplex series. Always double-check your specific model and part number to ensure a perfect match. The unit delivers a maximum output of 240W, which is sufficient for the standard configurations of these Optiplex mini towers. It accepts AC input ranging from 100-240V at 4A, making it suitable for use in different regions with varying voltage standards. Connectivity is straightforward, featuring a 6-pin ATX power connector and a 4-pin ATX power connector. These are the standard connectors required for powering the motherboard and other components in these systems. When considering a power supply replacement, it's important to think about why you need a new one. Is your old power supply failing, causing system instability, or preventing you from upgrading other components like the graphics card? A healthy power supply is the heart of any computer, and a failing one can lead to a host of problems. This 240W unit is likely a good choice if you're simply replacing a faulty power supply with the same specifications. However, if you're planning to install a more powerful graphics card or other power-hungry components, you might need to consider a higher wattage power supply. Always calculate the total power requirements of your system before making a decision. Installation should be relatively simple, as it's designed to fit directly into the Dell Optiplex mini tower case. However, always remember to disconnect the power cord and take necessary precautions to avoid electric shock before opening up your computer. If you're not comfortable working inside your computer, it's best to seek help from a qualified technician. Overall, this 240W power supply appears to be a reliable and compatible replacement option for Dell Optiplex 3050, 5050, and 7050 mini towers. It offers the necessary power and connectivity for these systems, making it a solid choice for maintaining or restoring their functionality. Just be sure to verify compatibility and consider your system's power requirements before making a purchase.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.